Hello everyone, so today I'll be presenting my IoT project, which is a portable safety belt. So what is a portable safety belt? Portable safety belt is it's a fall detection belt, which when a person is knocked out unconscious or suffers a hard fall, it would send a loud alarm and then sends a text message to Telegram. So here is my wiring diagram of this project. So for the components used in this project is an MPU sensor, OLED, power supply battery, a buzzer, a switch, and a belt, and mainly the ESP32. So here is my wiring for the project, and I followed the wiring diagram. Now we will move on to the coding part of this project. So I will first import the libraries of this project, which is the library of MPU, OLED, and Wi-Fi. And after that, I would also set the Wi-Fi password and the Telegram token and Telegram chat ID. Now we'll move on to setting up the pins, objects, and variables. For the pin, it's pretty straightforward. I'll just name the reset button, and buzzer. And for the objects, I will set it as MPU. For MPU, I will set it as MPU, and for OLED, I will set as display, and I will set the length and the width of the MPU. And for the variables, I will start the SOS triggered as false, which is like normal, and if display update is true, means that it is in emergency mode. This will be the two variables in my code. Next come my messaging system, or the send telegram function. So when this function runs, it will check if the Wi-Fi is connected. If it is, it will secure a Wi-Fi connection, which is Wi-Fi client secure. This will make the message is encrypted, and then it will turn this message into JSON structure, which is a format that Telegram understands. And it will finally send message into Telegram's server. So now we are gonna move on to our setup function, which is the boot sequence. So this only runs when the device is turned on. So it does three main things, which is activate the reset button, start OLED screen and motor sensor, and connects to the Wi-Fi. The code will wait until the Wi-Fi is connected before continuing. So now we're gonna talk about the loop function, which is the main part of this code. So first, check that if the system is in normal mode. If the SOS triggered is false, the belt will be in standby mode, which the screen will display belt active and monitoring. Next, we will talk about the reset button. So it will alarm only during an emergency. So the button only works when the SOS trigger is true, which prevents accidental presses. So if it is pressed during the emergency, the buzzer turns off, the system resets to normal, and a message will come out that emergency is resolved, the belt has been reset. Finally, the loop performs a fall detection, which it will read acceleration values x, y, and z from the MPU, and it will calculate the total force using the formula that I have put in here, which is the total acceleration formula. And after that, it will detect the fall, and then it will show that fall is detected, and it will send in Telegram that a fault was detected. Now we will be talking about the trigger function or the trigger SOS function. It will activate when fault is detected. So you can see that SOS trigger is set to be true, and after that the buzzer will turn on, which means that fault is detected, and it will show in the OLED that it's sending SOS to the Telegram. And after the SOS is sent, it will say SOS sent and press button to reset. So it means that press button to stop the buzzer and reset to the default settings. So this is the final product of my safety belt.